Well, cross-strait economics have long been a hot topic in China. More preferential policies and facilitating measures are being taken at an increasing pace. CCTV's Hunan reports from Fuzhou, the capital of Fujian province.
Established in 1995 and setting up its mainland factory in 2004, this auto parts company is among the first batch of companies to benefit from the landmark Cross-strait Economic Pact, the Economic Cooperation Framework Agreement, known as ECFA.
About 30% of our raw materials and components are imported from Taiwan. We have benefit from ECFA in two aspects. First, the time required for customs clearance was shortened by 60%. Second, the tariff in 2015 saved us about 2 million yuan, which we can reinvest in our factory and double our output in 2018.
Behind the savings in time and the tariff were the great efforts that customs officers put into making the implementation of ECFA smooth.
Mainland Taiwan customers have set up an information sharing platform to better monitor and facilitate the customs clearance of cross-strait goods. More than a simple digitalization of the customs information, this system can track the region of the goods in real time and help us determine whether it conforms to the ECFA preferential policy, while it might have taken 40 days to go through the process in the past.
Taiwan is the mainland's 7th largest trade partner and the 6th largest source of imports. Led by the Economic Cooperation Framework Agreement, or the ECFA, cooperation across the straits will continue to increase. In its 7th year at the Cross-strait Fair for Economy and Trade, the Taiwan Trade Center has brought the Taiwan Excellence Hall for the first time.
For the last 6 years, we mainly exhibited food products. This year, Taiwan Excellence brings more innovative products, including certain high-tech textile and functional clothes, as well as healthcare gadgets and equipment.
Over 600 out of 2,000 exhibitors are from Taiwan. Since its entry in 2010, the Taiwan section has attracted over 2.7 million visitors, as well as a total turnover of $376 million. Hunan, CCTV, Fujian province.
If you like what you just saw, follow us on social media and visit our website, cctv-america.com.